They say boys don't cry, so he rips the sadness out with bare hands and buries it in his chest. It poisons. He becomes a graveyard of things he was never allowed to feel. Silence is not peace, it's slow, deliberate murder, and is a willing victim digging his own grave. Boychad bleeds inwards where no one can see, where no one cares. He chews on his own screams, swallowing them down like broken glasses. Every heartbeat is a betrayal. Every morning is a crime against himself. He learns early, and if pain makes no sounds, no one will try to save you. And maybe that's better. Maybe that's justice. A Boychad is like a coffin with heartbeat. He wanted a word, he get a silence louder than any scream. And now he only speaks in words.